Greetings of the day. I am Dr. Bhushan Patil. I have completed my PhD in Mechanical Engineering from VJTI Mumbai. I have 25 years of teaching experience in the field of Mechanical Engineering and related subjects. Mechanical Engineering is a basic and core branch of engineering which deals with various machines and the parameters related to it. So with the legacy of imparting the education in production engineering branch for over 4 decades, as per the changing perception of the society, we have changed this branch to a mechanical engineering branch. Besides that, around 70% teachers in mechanical engineering department are with a doctoral qualification. This benefit will be definitely a specialty of other construe robotic colleges. The opportunity exists from manufacturing industry as well as railways, aerospace industries, robotics, artificial intelligence, even certain interdisciplinary subjects like machine learning for manufacturing, or learner can get opportunities almost each and every field of engineering. In mechanical engineering, student can opt for placement in the core industries as well as IT or computer related industry. So it touches each and every area where student can opt. Thanks a lot.